Founded in 2016, Zibu QingTian Machinery Factory specializes in fitness equipment. With 35 engineers and a 20,000 square meters workshop, it produces over 1 million pieces annually, including counterweight plates, selection rods, magnetic bolts, guide sleeves, and other components. The company manages a full production process from raw material to finished CNC machined products, utilizing high-precision automated equipment like CNC machining centers, lathes, and automatic spray coating machines. Relying on automated equipment and strict quality inspection, it provides customers with high-quality services. Choosing QingTian means choosing high-quality products.